I go to market.
I don't go to market.
I go home.
I don't go home.
I go to house.
I don't go to
I
house.
speak English.
I don't speak English.
I come here.
I don't come
I
here.
go there.
I don't
I
have
sit here.
I don't sit
I speak
here.
English.
I don't sit
I go to market.
I don't go to
I come here.
I don't come
I sleep on the bed.
I don't sleep.
I read. Hello dear friends, now today here we are going to start some practice in simple present tense, and this is my students and whose name is Isika Upeti. So today I'll ask to her some sentences in Hindi and English also, then she will reply in English. So Isika, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So first sentence here I will speak to you in Hindi, then you have to make 4 sentences. Okay? Yes. मैं बाजार जाता हूँ.
I go to market.
Yes.
I don't go to market. Do
Yes.
I go to market?
Yes.
Don't I go to
Yes.
market?
So dear students and friends, आप भी इसी तरह से हमारे साथ यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. जो एग्जाम्पल मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ हिंदी में, आप भी उनको अपने घर पे रहकर इस वीडियो को देखकर आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ साथ. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
Yes.
Do I go to school?
Yes.
I don't go to school.
Yes.
Don't I go to school?
Very good. मैं आपको जानता हूँ.
I know you.
Yes.
I don't know you.
Yes.
Don't I know you?
Yes.
Do I know you?
Yes. मैं खाना खाता हूँ.
I eat food.
Yes.
I don't eat food.
Yes.
Do I eat food?
Yes.
Don't I eat food?
Very good. Now here I will ask you sentence in English in positive and you have to make into negative. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So I speak in English?
Yes.
No, you have to say, you have to make this sentence in negative and you have to say I don't speak in English. Okay? Yes. I go to market.
I don't go to market.
I talk Hindi. Yes.
I don't talk to Hindi.
I know you.
I don't know you.
I say something.
I don't say something.
I go to market.
I don't go to
I
market.
go home.
I don't go
I
home.
go to house.
I don't go to
I
house.
speak English.
I don't speak English.
I come here.
I don't come
I
here.
go there.
I don't go there.
वेरी गुड. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसी तरह से हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे पहले प्रैक्टिस करी और उसके बाद हम लोग आपके लिए छोटा सा यहाँ पे वीडियो हम लोग तैयार कर रहे हैं ताकि आप भी हमारे साथ साथ आप इसी तरह आप और ये वीडियो देखकर आप हमारे साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. तो जैसे आपसे नेक्स्ट आपका है, मैं आपसे पूछूंगा यहाँ पे सेंटेंस इंटीग्रेटिव में और आपको देना है आंसर पॉजिटिव में. यस या नो लगाकर. कैसे बोलोगे आप? जैसे मैंने आपसे मैंने पूछा सेंटेंस डू आई नो यू, तो आप बोलोगे यस यू नो मी. या आप ये भी कह सकते हैं जैसे एग्जांपल मैंने आपसे पूछा डू यू गो टू मार्केट, आप इसका आंसर दोगे यस आई गो टू मार्केट. ओके. यस. डू यू टॉक इन हिंदी?
No, I talk. I don't talk in
नो.
Hindi.
यस. डू यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश?
Yes, I speak in English.
डू यू ईट फूड?
Yes, I eat food.
डू यू हैव वाटर?
Yes, I have water.
डू यू नो मी?
Yes, I know you.
डू यू गो टू स्कूल?
Yes, I go to school.
डू यू नो इसिका?
Yes, I know Sika.
डू यू नो चंपा?
Yes, I know Champa.
वेरी गुड. नाउ इसी तरह से मैं आपसे पूछूंगा सेंटेंस इन हिंदी में ओके WH वाले और आप उनके आंसर दोगे इसमें इंग्लिश में. ठीक है? आप क्या खाते हो?
What do you eat food?
आप क्या पहनते हो?
What do you wear?
आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
आप कहाँ जाते हो?
Where do you go?
आप क्या सीखते हो?
What do you study?
आप क्या सीखते हो? What do you learn या what do you teach? ओके. आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
ओके. आप कहाँ से आते हो?
Where do you come?
फ्रॉम. वेरी गुड. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने सिंपल प्रेजेंट ये आपका पार्ट 1 है और इसी तरह से हम लोग पूरे सीरीज प्रेजेंट टू फ्यूचर हम लोग पूरे 12 वीडियोस आपके लिए यहाँ पे बनेंगे. प्रैक्टिस ये पार्ट 1 आपका, ये आपका डे 1 है और इसी तरह से आप घर पर रहकर आप हमारे साथ इसी तरह से वीडियो में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. तो अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगा सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश में. ठीक है? पॉजिटिव. आप उसको बनाओगे नेगेटिव, इंटीग्रेटिव और लास्ट नेगेटिव और इंटीग्रेटिव. ठीक है? आई टॉक टू यू.
I don't talk to you.
या.
Do I talk to you?
Yes.
Don't I talk to you?
वेरी गुड. आई हैव वाटर.
I don't have water.
Yes.
Do I have water?
Yes.
Don't I have water?
वेरी गुड. आई हैव फूड.
I don't have food.
यस.
Do I have food?
Yes.
Don't I have food?
वेरी गुड. आई नो यू वेरी वेल.
Do you?
I don't.
I don't know you very well.
Yes.
Do I know you very well?
Yes.
Don't I know you very well?
Very good. Okay, so dear students and learners, now here I am asking to her some question in interrogative and she will make in positive. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So first sentence for you. Does she go to market?
She don't go to market.
No. You have to make positive. Yes, she goes to market. Okay. Does she eat food?
Yes, she eat food.
Does she come here?
Yes, she come here.
Yes, she comes here. Okay. Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks English.
Does she talk to you?
Yes, she talk me.
Talks to me. Okay. You have to use suffix because it is singular. Okay. Does she speak English?
Yes, she speaks in English.
Does she sleep?
Yes, she sleeps.
Very good. So please big hand for that. And और आपको इसी तरह से आपको यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करनी है जो हमने यहाँ पे दोनों प्रैक्टिस करी है। आप भी अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कोई दिक्कत है, जैसे सपोज मान लो कि हमारे पास एक वीडियो है इसी चैनल पे प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट टेंस की, ठीक है। अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखी तो पहले आप उसको देख लें, उसका लिंक मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में। आप उसे भी देख कर उसके बाद हमारे साथ ऐसे ही आप घर पर रहकर आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। So dear friends, first conversation has been finished. Now second conversation we are going to start with my students, Miss Kritika Upadhyay. So Kritika beta, are you ready?
Sir, yes.
Okay. Please speak loudly. Okay? Yes. First sentence for you. मैं घर जाता हूँ.
I go home. I don't go home. Do I go home? Don't I go home?
मैं एक पत्र लिखता हूँ.
I write a letter. Do I write a letter? I don't write a letter. Don't I write a letter?
Very good. Please don't move. Okay, speak properly. And next sentence, मैं खाना खाता हूँ.
I eat food. I don't eat food. Do I eat food? Don't I eat food?
Yes. वो हंसती है.
She laughs.
Yeah.
She does.
She laughs. Okay.
She
Yeah.
laughs. Does she laugh?
No. Now make negative. Firstly. Yeah.
She laughs.
Yeah.
She don't. She doesn't laugh.
Yeah.
Does she laugh?
Yeah.
She doesn't laugh.
Yeah. Actually, some mistakes happen in first attempt because just we are getting here something. Okay. So it happens, and don't be nervous and don't be hesitate. Okay, it happens, and whenever we make video front of camera, you know, so it happens. So you have to speak openly and don't fear. Okay? Yes. मैं गाना गाता हूँ.
I sing a song. I don't sing a song. Do I sing a song?
Yes.
Don't I sing a song?
Very good. क्या आप घर जाते हो?
Do you go home?
क्या आप खाने खाते हो?
Do you eat food?
क्या आप हंसते हो?
Do you laugh?
क्या आप मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know? Do you know you?
Do you know me? Okay? Yes. तो अब मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ एग्जाम्पल इन इंग्लिश इन पॉजिटिव और आपको देना आंसर नेगेटिव में. रेडी हो ना?
Yes.
ठीक है. I go to home.
I don't go to home.
I have water.
I don't have.
I have food.
I don't have.
I sit here.
I don't.
I
sit
speak
here.
English.
I don't.
I go to market.
I don't go to.
I come here.
I don't come.
I sleep on the bed.
I don't sleep.
I write a letter.
I don't write a letter.
Very good. तो इसी तरह से मैं बोलूंगा नेगेटिव, आप बोलोगे पॉजिटिव. रेडी? Yes. You don't go to market.
You go to market.
You don't come here. Yes. You don't come here.
You come here.
You don't sit.
You sit.
You don't speak.
You speak.
You don't say.
You say.
You don't speak in English.
You speak in English.
You don't speak in Hindi.
You speak in Hindi.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. वेरी गुड. तो इसी तरह से अगर आपके सामने ये बच्ची बहुत अच्छा कर रही है तो प्लीज एक लाइक तो बनता है इसके लिए. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट आपके एग्जांपल है इन इंटीग्रेटिव में आपसे पूछूंगा सेंटेंस और आपको देना है मुझे रिप्लाई पॉजिटिव में देना है. ओके. Do you go to market?
You go to market.
Say yes, I go to market. Yeah. Do you speak in English?
Yes, I speak in English.
Do you come here?
Yes, I come here.
Do you worship in the temple?
Yes, I worship in the temple.
Do you get up in morning?
Yes, I get up in the morning.
Do you eat chicken?
No, I eat chicken.
No, I don't eat chicken. Okay.
No, I don't eat chicken.
Do you have water?
Yes, I have water.
Do you have food?
Yes, I have food.
Do you jump?
Yes, I have. I jump.
Yeah, very good. So please big hand for her. Okay. So dear students and learners and my friends, आपने देखा कि एक छोटे से बच्चे ने कैसे प्रैक्टिस करी. ये कैसा हो सकता है? How it's possible? Okay, because just here at coaching at Knowledge Point here we are doing practice daily. तो अगर आप यहाँ से हैं, रामनगर से हैं, तो आप भी हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं. नंबर स्क्रीन में दिया गया है. और अगर आप इसी तरह से बोलना चाहते हैं, प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं अगर हमारे साथ, ठीक है, तो आप हमसे कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे अगर आपके सामने बच्चे ने किया जिनके नाम भी कृतिका बताया. ओके. तो इट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे एंड थैंक यू सो मच एंड बाय बाय.